Hi Scorpios, we'll see how will be your April month. Okay, what is your energy? What is going to come up for you? I'll shuffle it on camera. Okay, though I've already pre-shuffled, but still okay. Five of Wands, Queen of Pentacles. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, so many cards are flipping around. Oh my God, what is going on, Scorpios? I hope you can see me shuffling. Okay, strength we have received reverse. Wheel of Fortune. Ooh, Page of Wands, Seven of Wands. So, Scorpios, you are dealing with somebody. Lot of fights, arguments are going on in your life currently. Either with your family member, either with your person, or either your person is having a lot of arguments with you or with his family members or something like that. Someone is being defensive over here, definitely. And mm, either this can be you also, if you are married to your person, this can be his family, it means you. Okay, so yeah, might be dealing with a Leo sign, Scorpio sign, another Scorpio, I mean Leo, Scorpio, Taurus, Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy is also there. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also. Yeah. And for few percentage Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. Yeah. So somebody won in the argument. Lot of conflicts are going on. One person is saying this, another person is saying that. So if you do this, I will do that. If you don't do the if you do this, I will not do that. Something like if you do this, I will also do this. So some sort of those conflicts, arguments are going on. uh, yeah, somebody is being so much defensive, so much defensive, that I will not allow you to do this, I will not allow you to do that. But everything is going to be sought out in the month of April because of this Wheel of Fortune card. Okay, some sort of decisions will be happening in the month of April. If you have a daughter, you are having conflicts with your daughter, and if not, then you are checking out on your daughter, whether she is doing what she's doing, how she's doing, whether she's doing or doing her work or studies or not, something like that. Okay, for some of you, you are expecting a new beginning. If your person has been very much carefree and left you, and you left them because he used to argue a lot, he used to win in the argument, then decision will be coming in your favor with this Wheel of Fortune. I can sense that. If somebody was interfering in your connection and you have walked away, or your person has walked away, then those situation will be sorted out. Okay, that is what I am feeling. Yeah, just a second. Okay, let's see what else is coming for you in the month of April. Oh, definitely someone has cheated here, deceived, deceptive energy strongly. Eight of Cups also. Let's see, we'll take it out. Definitely you might have daughter or two daughters. Okay, for some of you, if you are married, even if you are single mother. So yeah, uh, definitely somebody has over here cheated and someone has walked away. Okay, this can be your energy. You have walked away because your person has cheated you and deceived you, behaved very sneaky and walked out. You have walked away from that situation very, very tired. You are feeling very tired. your person might has, for some of you, your person might has got married to somewhere else, and if you are married to this person, you are not happy, or this can be your person's energy also. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, strongly I am feeling. Yeah, now I'm feeling Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn strongly, and Aries sign as well. What do you need to know? If you felt that there was no equal give and take, and you have not given, or this can be you, or you were very much argument, you used to do argument, lot of arguments, and then now you are feeling guilty. And if this is your person, then they are feeling guilty. If you feel there was no equal give and take in the relationship, then there are chances in the month of April you will see some equal give and take, balance out, situation will be balanced out, your relationship will come into a balance in the month of April. For some of you, I can feel that. And if you were struggling in the money situation, for some of you, I can sense that there are fighting going on for the property. Definitely property fightings, fightings, lot of arguments, conflicts are going on because of the property matter, money matter. This is my property, that person is saying this is my property. So family members are fighting, or her husband wife is fighting, or something like that, or in-laws and in-laws are fighting, something like that. Somebody is fighting over here on money, or over on property. So whatever the issue is, it will be resolved. Okay, and equal give and take will happen for everyone in the situation. Okay, this can be you or your person also. This can be your energy or your person's energy as well. What else? Two of Swords. See, confused energy, definitely blocked heart chakra energy. Somebody used to think a lot, argue a lot. That will be sorted out in the month of April. Let's see what is the advice for you or suggestion for you. I want to pull out some cards. Control. Okay, so if this is you controlling, try to control others, or trying to control situation and outcome, love to win in the argument, don't listen to others perspective, then you need to release that. Okay, if this is your person, then destiny will be making them do it. Okay, they will have to release this stubborn behavior, rigid behavior, or argumentative behavior. Or if they were trying to control the outcome, or they were trying to control you, everything will be coming in your favor. Destiny will bring some sort of 360-degree turn towards you. The source, yes, see, universe is coming clearly in this card, and you need to do some meditation. See, some sort of tower movement I can see. For some of you, you have left a house, or somebody has left a house or home, or some sort of ending has occurred. Definitely with this thunderbolt card, fire sign you are dealing with strongly, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or either if you have a sun, moon, rising, Venus, or any strong fire element in your birth chart, you just should check out the fire sign reading as well. So yeah, definitely some sort of shocking ending has occurred. Suddenly endings has happened, and now you need to see the beyond illusion. If someone was wearing a mask, or a lot of things were in the illusion, then it will be removed in the month of April. If not yet, then illusion will be removed, two-faced people will be removed, or at least you'll see the clarity of this is your person. They will see the clarity, and you need to do some meditation, and focus on your third eye chakra. Try to meditate. For some of you, I can see that I can sense that your third eye is open. Definitely you can be a spiritual person for some of you, or a psychic medium, or a your third eye is open. You are a spiritual person basically. Okay, so if not, then you should do some meditation prayers, come into a spiritual focus towards spirituality more. And if not, you are not seeing the light and the truth, then you will see in the month of April. If this is your person, then they will see the truth in the month of April. Or if not, then your third eye will be opening in the month of April. For some of you, I can feel that, I can sense that if you are in a on a spiritual journey or some sort of spiritual journey. If not, then there are chances, you will come in the spirituality or spiritual journey, something like that. You might be feeling the energy is slow quite, but everything will be going to wiped out, negative will be wiped out in the month of April, and everything will come in your favor. Beyond illusion, wheel of fortune, ace of pentacles are the best card. So this tower moment, why this has happened, you will get the answer of that in the month of April if you don't know it yet. Okay, if you are not aware about it yet, then I can feel that, and this can be your personal as well. So this is what I feel for you. Thank you so much. This is a general reading. Please remember, it will not resonate with each and every one of you. For that, you can book a private reading with me. You can email me, or you can follow me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Please appreciate me, motivate me by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing my channel and following me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video. You can check out other love readings as well, which I have posted. You can check out pick a card April month reading as well, and you can check out a zodiac reading and other love readings as well on my channel. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Namaste.